Decentralized.
Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about an altcoin that is going to be chugging along with a narrative that might be picking up pretty soon in this crypto market. Also want to talk to you guys a little bit about the Bitcoin chart and the total 2 charts Bitcoin dominance, what it means for all of our Bitcoin bags. Also want to talk to you about something going on with Polygon that could be pretty huge in the short-term future. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, leave me a comment in the comment box. If anything you would like me to make a video on, any tutorials you need, any help, any of the simple things in cryptocurrency that you were trying to understand, I'm here to help you guys with that. Check out my website, Everythingcurrencycrypto. Got NFTs, merch, all type of cool stuff on there. You can get into my Telegram group through my Patreon on there, because those guys are just killing it with some of the coins that they're calling meme coins, use case coins, futuristic coins, everything. They're making money in there, so let's get this money together. Looking at the chart of Bitcoin right here, we can see a couple things going on. So first things first, on the 4-hour chart, we can see, well, first things first, you see this big orange line right here. On the 4-hour chart, that is the point of control. That is where a lot of the volume is. If you zoom out, you can see that's where all of the trading is going on, and that number is sitting around 61K. So if we continue to pump up, that is going to be the most resistance that we will find is right there at the 61K level. But we are not going to make it to that level if we don't put a higher high in and break above this red line right here, which is the 59K level. And we do have some resistance going on in that level. Let me mute this VR. So just looking at this right here, we can see, hey, if we keep getting rejected by this level, the next level that we're going to bounce at is probably the 55K level. We break below that, then we're going back down to 53K. So I'm thinking, hey, 53K, let's try to make that a bottom right there and bounce in between 53K and go back and forth for a little bit so the altcoins can have a nice time. Overall, on the weekly chart, we are bouncing above the 13 moving average. We dipped below it, but we didn't close there. That is great to see. That's what we wanted to see. That just means this entire bull run is not over yet until we break below that level. But nonetheless, on the daily chart, Bitcoin is looking a little bit bearish. It is a straight downtrend. Can't deny that there's a downtrend going on right now, getting rejected at the 13 moving average on the daily, which is a very important level that we watch. You can see when we get above this blue line, which is a 13 moving average, things get pretty nice. Here we got above it, we went from 44 to 66. Here we got above it, we went from 32 to 52. Here we got below it, we went from 56 all the way down to 31 until we got back above it and started pumping back up. So this is a key level for us to try to get above on the daily for Bitcoin, that 13 moving average right there. That's something that we want to see. Bitcoin dominance is showing us that we might not do that yet, though. There's a downtrend right here on the Bitcoin dominance. This is Bitcoin versus the altcoin, so you can see, hey, this means that people are buying more altcoins than Bitcoin. Doesn't necessarily mean that money's trickling into altcoins from Bitcoin, but it just means that, hey, overall a lot more money is going into the altcoins than Bitcoin, because this dominance is falling. And since this dominance is in a downtrend, it is falling. Where can we catch a bottom at? Probably either where we are right now or over here at around the 40% range for the Bitcoin dominance. Now remember, the altcoin run is over, in my opinion, once we hit 35K Bitcoin dominance. But that can change, because now people can go straight into their favorite altcoins and they're not caring about Bitcoin as much. So I think we're going to continue to see this Bitcoin dominance go down. It's been in a downtrend for years already. Looking at the total 2, just showing us again that, hey, we're a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin right here on the daily chart. We have the 13 and the 34 cross happening right now. We're getting back above the 13 moving average. Now, getting back above that 13 moving average is very bullish. We got below it and came back above it. So this chart is moving faster than Bitcoin right now. Let's hope that we get a bounce right here on the weekly chart. We can also see that, hey, it's a lot higher than the 13 moving average on Bitcoin. So altcoins are looking pretty nice. Speaking of altcoins looking nice, Ceek has gotten to $1.19 today, looking very bullish. Like I said, I'm not sure if it is the rumored connections to Facebook, or if like Lady Gaga, Chris Brown, and Rihanna are big catalysts for people to actually check out this project. Metaverse, NFTs, virtual reality. They already have a virtual reality headset that is in stores right now. Check out my videos on the Ceek token and check out the Ceek token in general. Now from here, this coin has already pumped. It was about a penny. This coin was about a penny earlier this year. I would say maybe even 3 months ago. So it is extremely pumped. I would be cautious and only get in on dips if you're going to do something like that. But I do think this token has some nice room to run. We don't know what the market cap is yet. I won't be putting another dollar into Ceek until I figure out what the market cap is and figure out if I think that market cap can go higher. I could calculate this market cap myself, but I don't want to do that. So interesting things going on over there at Polygon Matic. So there's a lot of people who watch my channel who are big on Matic. There's a lot of people who made a lot of money on Matic. I have some friends who told me to get into Matic very early and I didn't listen to them, and that ended up being a mistake. Shout out to people who are in the Matic token. Interesting things happening though. Over there at the UNiswap governance, there is a proposal going on that says the Polygon team wants to deploy UNiswap on Matic, and as of right now it's 16 million votes saying yes and only 500,000 votes saying no. So when this ends on December 2nd, it's looking like there's going to be an announcement that hey, they're going to deploy UNiswap on top of Matic. Now a couple things, I gotta go ahead and look at this, what they're actually going to do. This could be pretty big. I've had people tell me, hey, I'll start using UNiswap again if the fees are cheaper. And UNiswap, I was loving UNiswap on Ethereum when the fees were cheap. UNiswap is a very good resource, but hey, had to move to QuickSwap, had to move to Joe, had to move to these other ones because the fees on Ethereum were just super high and it's ridiculous. I don't even like to use Ethereum. I know a lot of you guys don't even like to use Ethereum. You have to pay $20 for an approval before you have to pay a $120 transaction fee, and it's ridiculous. So Ethereum needs to go ahead and hurry up and speed up with their Ethereum 2.0. They need some other scaling solutions. Remember, Polygon is just a scaling solution. It is a side chain, meaning it does a bunch of transactions on a Polygon, groups them all together, and then it sends them to Ethereum. That is one of the ways that people can scale Ethereum right now and still use Ethereum. And the reason why they want to still use Ethereum is because Ethereum is proof of work, which has the most security. We're talking about people's money here. We need things to be very secure, which brings me into the next coin that I'm talking about, which is Syscoin. Now Syscoin is a different type of scaling solution than Matic Polygon is. So Matic Polygon uses a sidechain model, and Syscoin uses something called ZK rollups. And all you need to know about that is just it is a different way to scale Ethereum and could make it very fast to do transactions on Ethereum dApps. So Syscoin right now is at around a $482 million market cap. Now there's a ton of people right now who are looking at ZK rollups, and Syscoin is one of the coins that's going to be trying to implement a ZK rollup solution very soon. So we can see they got about 2,500 masternodes. The transaction fee is way below a penny. The hash rate is 24 exahash right now, which is pretty cool. Coming down, they got scalability, low fees, and compliance. Okay, you guys definitely come check out this website. I'm just gonna blow by the website because you can easily read the website, nothing special there. But yeah, so definitely check out the website. Some interesting things. They got some pretty nice partners right here. Partner with Polygon, partner with Big Digital, partner with Azure. So those are a couple companies that I know right off the bat. And this is their whole transaction system. So they got NFTs coming, which is pretty cool. You know, NFTs right now, everyone loves NFTs. NFTs is one of the biggest things going on in cryptocurrency right now. So NFTs on a low cost, you know, basically free transaction network is great for everyone, especially people building games with NFTs. So that might be a solution for them. Coming over to their Twitter, they've been really active lately. But one of the questions asked in the AMA, they said, let's talk about the metaverse. We all know the metaverse is coming. Is Syscoin the best platform for this? Why would we choose Syscoin and not the competitors? They said metaverse is an upcoming big concept that is really worked on by many smart people, blah, 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 blah. The ultimate solution will be scalable, yet still be secure. And that's what Syscoin is all about, is basically what they're saying. They are bringing you the security of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are proof of work blockchains, and they're trying to add smart contract capabilities on top of that with their enhanced virtual machine. So the virtual machine that's supposed to be the big part of their network is coming. It's on their roadmap, scheduled for Q1 of 2022. First of all, they got the proof of work smart tracks coming in Q4 of 2021. So there's only a month left for them to get that done, and that's probably why we see this price uptick, because they're finally releasing their POW smart contracts. And this is no newcomer to the block. This coin has been around since 2014. They have their rapid speed and ZK rollups coming in Q1 of 2022. They have a bunch of other news coming that should be a nice price catalyst for this token to continue moving, as long as the Total 2 and Bitcoin cooperate with the rest of the market. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Are you guys interested in Syscoin? Are you going to do your research? Make sure you do your research first. Leave me a comment in the comment box for anything you need help on. Like I keep on saying, you guys don't do that enough. Check out the website, Everythingcurrencycrypto. Check out the merch I have on the website in the HODL shop. Also, check out Kucoin. If you're not into Kucoin, I got a link in the description for that. There's a bunch of gems on there. There's money being made on there every day. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, peace.